The Egowz PC Creative Assembly frame is a sturdy open-air test bench built from thick steel with a durable black coating that feels solid and stable on the desk. Its compact footprint still manages to accommodate full-size ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, making it flexible for different build and testing scenarios. Support for both ATX and SFX power supplies, plus multiple mounting options for 2 mechanical hard drives or 3 solid-state drives, gives plenty of room for varied storage setups. The fully exposed layout, with mounting for dual 240mm or 360mm radiators, delivers excellent airflow and makes it easy to keep high-power processors and graphics cards cool. Vertical and direct plug graphics card mounting options, along with support for 90-degree extension cables, make it convenient to experiment with different GPU configurations and cable routing. Included brackets for power supplies, radiators, and the graphics card round out the package and help the frame feel like a complete, builder-friendly platform rather than a bare skeleton.